Babies. Today we're going to be writing in our journals, and you're going to be writing to answer this question. What do you like to do in the rain or the snow? So think of something you like to do in the rain or the snow. For instance, you might say, in the snow, I like to make a snowman. Or in the rain, I like to splash in puddles. Choose one to write about. I wanted to show you today how you use the lines in your writing journal with the new letters that we've learned. So you know that for lowercase letters, we have tall letters, small letters, and full letters. But how do we use those with these lines? So I want to show you. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and get my highlighter here so I can show you. You'll notice that there is a solid blue line at the top and a solid red line at the bottom. And then in the middle, there is this dotted line. Now, all of our small lowercase letters fit between the dotted line and the red line, right? Our tall letters go to the top up here at the blue line and hit the bottom red line. And then our fall letters start at the dotted line, start at the dotted line and go down below that red line. Let me show you with the new letters that we learned this week, C, S, and O. So our C, magic C, let me get a drink here, is a small letter. So it's going to be between the dotted line and the bottom red line. Magic C. Okay. Our next letter, the O, is going to be between, it's a small letter, so it's between the dotted line and the bottom red line. Magic C, up and around. And our last letter, the S, starts at the dotted line. Magic C, and around and down. And do that one again, but I think I'm going to use a smaller pen because it was kind of hard to see. Little C down and around. So it's between the dotted line and the bottom red line. Now, tall letters, like I said before, would go to the top line. So when we learn some of our tall letters, they will hit the top line and the bottom line. And then our fall letters, like let's say a letter G, is going to go below the red line. And we'll keep learning those, but I did want to point that out to you today. So when you start writing, see if you can keep that in mind. If I want to write, I like to splash in puddles, I'm going to start here. I. Remember, our capital letters are tall letters. Like. To. Here's our O, up and around. To. Oh, you can see I went a little below that red line here, which is something we don't want to do. I'm going to erase it and try again. Magic C, up and around. And I'll stop there and let you guys get going. But remember, writers, today you're writing about what you like to do in the rain or in the snow, and try to use those lines like I've described as best as you can. All right, off you go.